with government-provided sorts of cash being attempting to hold tight in pandemic and money-related slumps, representing an extremely possible danger on the world horizon. There for the most part has been an anticipated climb, well known for truly mechanized content that is exceptionally kind of much outlined open at a lower cost, and the most strong sword of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Most advanced types of cash certainly are known to be unsound, hence people secure trading them, which especially is very critical in any case. The cryptographic currency market especially has been a consistent interest with dealers, essentially individual monetary sponsor and institutional monetary benefactors, for quite a long time, and all the significantly more basically so in the new pandemic circumstance. In an unobtrusive way, the credit ought to basically be given to the promoted presumptions from government provided kinds of cash that cold and persevere for the genuinely long stretch in an unpretentious manner, in reality showing huge focus to long stretch additions. Computerized monetary standards generally have displayed a strikingly impressive expense improvement, especially Chainlink cost in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Permit us to analyze the continuous nuances of Chainlink coin and fathom the Chainlink cost assumption for what's coming up. Truly, that certainly is the witticism of Chainlink, to ensure the monetary supporters really have an undeniable feeling of consolation and in every practical sense execute securely at a lightning fast speed, or so they sort of thought. Conditions by and large are different today, or so they for the most part thought. Gone really are the days you expected to by and large convey a wallet stacked down with those fiat papers and watching out for them frequently so they don't generally get taken in an exceptionally huge manner, conveying essentially progressed cash in a real sense as way in every way that really matters. Better contrasted with cash as it settled the issue of limit mobility, comfort, super fast and trouble-free trades, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Flimsiness clearly with respect to the most part passed on again and again, been the apple of disunity at this point, that turns out true to form for any cash wherein factors communicated Harainabov effect and impact a link's worth. Chainlink being no kind of unique case, by a similar by and large token, there generally are also specialists related, with the very specific examination of rates and the execution of trades on the web, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The advanced money for the most part is prepared for delivering significant compensation, which really attracts clients. Chainlink social class essentially has set sort of higher benchmarks for itself. In any case, Chainlink will in every practical sense outflank the suspicions for all cryptographic cash monetary sponsor who truly have explicitly found this stage unquestionably natural and clear. The most possible significance of Chainlink Link will be that it in every practical sense is a profit network that is totally decentralized, not going under any regulatory design, and especially has its genuinely fundamental sort of objective particular to explicitly interface key concurrences with data from this sort of present reality. Subsequently, the help to the name link made by Sergey Nazarov, with Steve Ellis as the especially other individual supporter, the sort of essential ICO of Chainlink emerged in September 2017, which is genuinely critical. It in every practical sense had a roaring accomplishment, raising 32 million with a full-scale supply of 1 billion link tokens. Chainlink linking the world, the kind of modernized asset. Chainlink fundamentally has an especially specific explanation, or so they truly thought. It especially is used to pay center point chairman as an extraordinary computerized cash. And those center providers with a ton of link can commonly be repaid, with certainly greater arrangements. On the other hand, not getting the particular information could require a diminishing in the amount of assets. Handiness permits the receipt and association of tokens for the most part inside one extremely individual trade, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, as of sort of late Robin Hood sort of has similarly legitimately recorded Chainlink, and it's in a real sense help. Following September 2017, the 32 million link ICO 32 of link tokens truly were sent off center heads to basically help the climate, and 30% essentially stayed inside Chainlink for development. 35 really were sold in the truly open representative arrangement. Chainlink sort of makes an immaculate shrewd design, wherein genuinely other virtual tokens can similarly generally be traded, which especially is very critical, endeavoring to affect the world aid of development. The entire natural arrangement of Chainlink ensures that individuals benefit from blockchain-engaged utilitarian advantages. Chainlink works with gains, as well as creates trust in a genuinely significant manner maintained by a better fundamentally decentralized accord and developed network. CHAINLINK hopes to provide clients with the workplace of similarly being open on substitute stages for mechanized media sharing, killing any occupation of center individuals. CHAINLINK disposes of the go-betweens, and in every way that really matters for nothing outfits game plans clearly hitting a relationship with the client, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The truly entire data for the most part is cryptographically gotten through blockchain, while allowing creators to take pretty entire advantages. As a matter of fact, insurance by and large is moreover a sort of nodal part of CHAINLINK, set to hold a benchmark for content creators and will be an extreme competition for Goliaths like Facebook, Google, who truly sell especially your data, making it lean to control, which basically is very critical to help clients of CHAINLINK. They are similarly commonly pursued compensation programs. This works with smart arrangements giving induction to outside data deals with like copy information. If the individuals most certainly wish to really show up at off-chain, they need to hold up a ticket on CHAINLINK's association for certainly complex splendid understanding. These arrangements will organize the referencing contract with the appropriate profits, which basically is genuinely huge. The hoarding contract gathers data of the picked profits to find the most dependable result, or so they generally thought, besides allowing stamping link benefit center point managers, showing their commitment to the decentralized profit association. Thusly, CHAINLINK goes probably as a critical work player in supporting the economy, ensuring the liquidity of CHAINLINK, or so they explicitly thought. CHAINLINK Link truly links that bind the association works under assured areas of strength, for of committed specialists and researchers, adding to the reliable up-degree and improvement process, which for the most part is very huge. The wonder achieved generally is that the monetary benefactors and seller neighborhood risk any phony charge moves in a sort of significant manner. Having the supporting of ERC20 gives CHAINLINK fundamentally further by and large lift, as the owners truly are permitted to administer their cash, with essentially no middle people included. In spite of prevalent thinking, all the while dull costs really are killed, and trade speed sort of is trebled. Hence clients are their own rulers of approval essentially, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Creative improvement has enabled CHAINLINK to be available on various contraptions that in every practical sense have quite recently furthermore extended its client base. Monetary benefactors really have the satisfaction of getting to their link tokens from wherever at whatever point in an unobtrusive manner. This in the end, in a real sense, makes the sort of entire structure more reliable and capable. Constant generally assist gave by the back-end gathering truly makes the CHAINLINK stage even kind of more reliable in every way that really matters. In opposition to prevalent thinking, monetary benefactors essentially are ensured of their security, and any malware is gotten immediately in a very enormous manner. There basically are moreover benefits associated with working with events which addresses the upside of link clients in a kind of significant manner. CHAINLINK link price history and technical analysis. The year 2017 signified a swing for a few computerized monetary standards, with all very upward twisting set up, yet not unfortunately for link in every practical sense. Large way the expense of CHAINLINK truly fell significantly, and extremely past suppositions in any case. The sort of token made brief CHAINLINK cost changes and fought back, which is genuinely critical, showing a return quickly in 2020. CHAINLINK cost made its set out of encounters, which is genuinely huge. Fortunately it in a real sense returned quickly, and 2020 became one of the most mined